your holiday wish list and check it twice. If it includes an eating kitchen, beautiful quartz countertop, exquisite marble flooring, custom European bamboo cabinets, or tons of storage, we have you covered. These amazing kitchens are as functional and modern and available as they are beautiful. With plenty of seating and surfaces for serving and dining, these gorgeous kitchens at River House Luxury Apartments show why this room is truly the heart of the home, especially during the holidays. These rooms are truly filled with inspiration. Instead of getting stressed, get organized. Your kitchen will likely be the hub of activity and the spot where guests are going to want to spend time, so it's important to have a functional and spacious kitchen. This could be your kitchen. Just give us a call at 225-383-1700.